I'm Nicobadia. I'm a humanitarian diplomat. I work with different organizations, but right here today, we are at Nyamokenye Primary School, which is an elementary school. There are challenges of water, and through the support and the help of a group that came here called Alpha Queens, there were two wonderful ladies that donated money with their friends called Larissa Raid and also Odessa Perkins. They raised money to buy a tank, and today we are happy to report that we have 10,000 liter water tank for this school. So we want to say thank you to the sponsors, Des and Larissa, and all your sponsors for helping this wonderful school with a water tank. Now we will never have an issue to do with water issues and even water pollution. Thanks to schools, especially here, is because it is impacting the lives of the students, the young learners, and also reducing waterborne diseases, and at the same time trying to help the young learners to stay in school. You know that many schools now are trying to have lunch in schools, and water is a basic need. Without water, they cannot be able to stay in school. So for them to be able to access clean water, we thought it's important that we provide water tanks for such institutions so that they can stay in school. This is not the only thing that we are doing in schools. We are collaborators and we are stakeholders in the education sector, and we are working around the clock trying to provide digital learning, helping with computers in different schools that have needs, and we're also trying to provide scholarships and trying to help with books so that these students can stay in school. With this group, we are targeting probably about 9 schools and communities, which we're helping with tanks, and at the same time, we are helping others with computers, and at the same time, we already had what we call sanitary cabs, Ruby cabs, which is used for hygiene purposes for the girls to stay in school. We already donated more than 400 sanitary towels or Ruby cabs that can help the young girls to stay in school when they have their periods. So purely our donations are coming from individuals of goodwill. They are coming from all over. Different organizations are trying to support this. On this trip itself, we were able to raise money that were being raised by different organizations to a tune of probably 2 million Kenya shillings that have gone to scholarships, that have gone to water issues like buying tanks, computers, and helping with Ruby cabs.
This school that you have brought the tank today, I want to say thank you. Thank you and thank you. Whoever gave us this tank, as a school, we could like to see them kindly. When you go back, tell them to come and visit the school and see the situation the school is. We cannot offer them anything. God knows, God will reward them and let them continue helping the schools. More so, with water that you have given us the tank, we are going to harvest 10,000 liters water, which will be very, very beneficial to the learners that we have. We have got around 800 learners kindly, and initially we had 5,000 liters, which is too small for them. Kindly next time, we urge you, add us another one. We'll make the learners to stay in school. You know, when we lack this water, we send them to the rivers. And there are a lot of challenges on the way, going to the river to bring water. So we are not now going to send them to the rivers to bring that water. Look at the iron sheets, the walls of that block, even the floors. We have got challenges. Even the topography of this area, you can see the way it is.
I thank you for supporting us, and I'm happy because there will be no distraction in class, and I'm sure that every student will be able to read and will get enough water to drink, and with this we control the communicable diseases. Will reduce when water moving away that leads to mosquitoes.
My name is Belvin Tatiana Kwamboka. I'm the learner of this school. I appreciate for giving us a 10,000 liter tank For this, we'll be continue having water on our school.
This tank, which will assist us very much in this school to fetch water. So, you are good people. You are now good friends. Now we are now friends because you have assisted us as friends. So we would like you also to congratulate you and thank you. God continue blessing you for assisting people within our country. And if there is any assistance, as I can guess, maybe you might have even any assistance concerning education. If there's any assistance like scholarships, here we have students who are candidates. Please, you can assist us after the exams will be released, national exams.
Means he has given back to the community. When you go back, we really appreciate as a staff. And we, as a growing school, we may need more, but not much. And we are not forcing you, but if we would have that ability, please, you are most welcome. We are really appreciative. Now the school is going to have enough water. We have more students in the school, and the next year as we are going to perform, we are going to get more. So feel most welcome. Let us extend our friendship.
In many ways, for example, in cleaning our classes and to provide us water for drinking.
I know it will help us in a lot. Also in doing manual. As Nyansakia family, we thank you and we love you and we welcome you back once again.
Help these learners in order to achieve what they are coming for. At the same time, this school has a lot of needs. And look, I think I was your tutor in form of sports. I like to encourage you. As you have done to Nyansakia, do to others. I will not like to be selfish. So, the whole group, I'd like to thank you so much. And among the needs, this school needs an ICT lab. If you can get where we can be able to get computers. We have a room. In fact, if you had time, I'll show you the room. We have prepared the room with the table.